one of my summer favorites. Super easy to make, very quick, and most importantly, really cheap. We'll serve it with coriander, mint, and chili salsa, and I'll show you how. Let's go. So first things first, we need to clean our sardines. We need to descale them. How we do it is with your thumb, just run through the body and remove any of the scales. Sardines don't have a lot and they're really tiny, so don't worry about it if there's any left. You also want to remove the guts. Just cut the stomach open. Place them on a kitchen towel. You want to make sure they're completely dry. So now we leave the sardines on the side to dry, and we can prepare our salsa. So I'm gonna use most of this coriander here. A little bit of the stalks are fine because they are really soft. I like to leave it chunky, and I just run the knife through once. A little bit of mint. I reckon that'll do. You can put more if you like. One chili. And 1 clove of garlic. So I had my phone overheat. So we got here coriander, mint, fresh chili, garlic, lemon juice, and a little bit of lemon zest. Gonna add some black pepper. And olive oil. So now we got our salsa ready. It's time to tidy up and grill the sardines. So to season the sardines, olive oil and sea salt. There's no need for anything else. They are so rich in flavor on their own that that's all they need. Quite generous drizzle of olive oil, just to hopefully prevent them from sticking to the barbecue. So we got our barbecue really nice and hot. You want a really hot barbecue so they don't stick, hopefully. Off we go. So sardines of this size, I would reckon take 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So we go ahead and turn them over. So the sardines are now ready. We can go ahead and plate them up. And we just drizzle the salsa on top of the sardines. A little bit of that oil. And a piece of lemon. Grilled sardines with coriander, mint and chili salsa. Such a great summer dish. Now it's just one thing left to do, a taste test. Get a nice big chunk. Wow, that is so good, honestly. Sardines, such a rich fish. The oiliness, the crispy skin, the smoke from the barbecue, and the acidity from the salsa all goes together so well. That is unbelievable. Definitely try this at home this summer. Guys, if you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.